This is a quick video tutorial on how to download Julia. Okay, so for this purpose you need to go to julialanguages.org, and here you will see the option to download. So this is basically the latest version, and this is basically if you want to check the documentation of the Julia language. Okay, so let us say that I want to download the Julia on my Windows computer. So I will click download, and here you see the options like these are the installers. These are 64-bit installer, 32-bit for Windows. Similarly, you can install Julia on macOS also. So here is 64-bit installer for macOS for Julia language, and similarly you can download Julia on Linux and FreeBSD also. So these are the installers for these particular operating systems. Okay, so let us say that I am a user of 64-bit Windows user. So I will click on this 64-bit installer. If you are using 32-bit system, then click on 32-bit. So now you see here that the Julia is now installing or being downloaded. So once the executables or the binaries are downloaded, I will click it to install the Julia. So just give me a second while it downloads. Okay, so it has been downloaded now. So now I will show you the process that how you can install it and what options are to check and what not to check. Okay, so it is scanning for the viruses right now. It takes some time, so give me a second. Okay, so now it's done. So let me open this file. So I have clicked on it, and now it basically tell you the path. So here is the path where it is going to install Julia. And now if I want to create a desktop shortcut or not, I do want to create it for now. Okay, if you don't want, you can delete it later. And let us say that I also want to create a startup entry. That's fine. So it is getting installed. So you see that these are the DLLs which are being installed in the memory of your system for the Julia language. And now once it installs, I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so it has been installed. If you want to open the documentation, you can click here, or if you want to run it, you can click here also. Otherwise, I will not check any of these, and I'll show you that since I have created a desktop shortcut. So you can see it. If I click on this desktop shortcut, the Julia prompt opens up. Now we can write the code also. So let us say I want to print hello there. So you can print it. Similarly, you can run the mathematical expressions. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.